Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger active status. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger active status, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page, you will search about Messenger. When you find this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your application of Play Store. You will search about Messenger. When you find it, you can click to update, and then you can know how to update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.